Hey YouTube family, this is Nick here with LMD Studios, and today we're going to do an overview of the Tourbox Neo. Is this another golden ticket or just another paperweight? Let's get to it. Quick disclaimer, I am in no way sponsored by Tourbox, and nor did they send me this product. I actually purchased this product on my own to review, so this review is going to be purely based on my experiences and my experiences alone. Now that being said, let's get back to the video. Okay, so the Tourbox Neo is a completely customizable software controller made specifically for creators. It can work with all kinds of softwares like Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and on and on. It was made with the intent to speed up any creator's workflow by allowing shortcuts to be programmed into one particular button. The Tourbox Mini is actually very lightweight and uniquely built with multiple dials and buttons that give this very personal and unique tactile feel. Each button can be used on its own and programmed with its own shortcut, or if you press it multiple times or in conjunction with another button, that's another shortcut and another property. With the tactile feel and every button being different, it actually makes it easier for us to be able to use the shortcuts without actually having to look at the device, pick and choose what we want. Like I said before, it is a lightweight, but heavy enough that it stays sturdy and it doesn't shake or move off of the table when you're using it. It comes with a braided USB-C cable, nice black sleeve, and also a small carrying pouch. Now the more premium version, which is about $10 more than this one, actually comes with a hard carry case, and this one comes with a soft carry. This device is actually very simple to use. The very first thing you need to do is download the software. Once you download the software, you can just plug in the device and start using it. Of course, you want to program your own shortcuts. It already comes with a few programmed presets for Photoshop, Lightroom, Premiere Pro, both the edit and coloring sections. You can try these presets for yourself and see how they work for your workflow. For me, they didn't, so I had to customize my own and use my own preset, but otherwise, it's very intuitive. There's quite a lot of good things to say about this device, but the one thing that stands out the most to me, and I haven't really seen anybody mentioning it, is the fact that it's very ergonomic, and the unique design of this actually makes it very usable for left-handed artists, such as myself. As a left-handed artist, I always find myself trying to use macro keys, and it's difficult because most macro keys are not going to be left-handed oriented. This device, however, is not necessarily left-handed or right-handed, it's ambidextrous. And again, like I said before, because of the dials and the rotary knobs and the buttons all being different and tactile, it's easier for me to actually use the device without having to look at it or memorize where the keys are in specific areas, because all I have to do is memorize the feel of it. The form factor is very appealing. It's slightly bigger than a mouse, which means it doesn't take an obnoxious amount of space on your desk. Again, it is lightweight, but hefty enough that it doesn't move when you're in the middle of using the device. Another great thing about the Tourbox is the software. The software is very easy, very intuitive, very quick to manage. All you have to do is scroll over each section on the software, and it will directly correlate it to the button that is on the device. Once you figure out what knobs or what button, what rotator knob do you want or dial, you'll be able to set up your preset there or your shortcut there, and then go from that point forward. One thing that I said it was good was the small form factor, but that is also one thing that can work against this product. Reason why I say that is because of the fact that it is so small. All the knobs and the rotary dials and buttons are all bunched up together. Me with bigger formed hands, of course, I have to find my way around a little bit and be able to get used to it. I think Tourbox can actually benefit by making this device a slight bit bigger. Another thing that I think is great, but also a little bad, is the actual texture. It's got a matte black finish, which is smooth to the touch. It's easier to find the buttons when you're actually hovering past the device and you're looking for a specific button, because those actually have texture while the rest of the body is very smooth and non-textured. That can be a good thing and it can be a bad thing. A little bit too much of a smooth spot, certain buttons and certain rotator dials do not have that actual feel that they need. It needs to be a little bit more rigid. Coming in at $169 is not the cheapest one on the market. Based on the uniqueness and the quality of this device, you couldn't ask for any better. After having used the cheaper macro controllers like the Razer Tartarus V2 and the more expensive ones like the Loupedeck CT, I can honestly say that you're getting a great value for a great price. After using this device for a few weeks now, for me, I have determined that it is the golden ticket for my success and not just another paperweight. I will be using this device from here on out for all of my projects and all of my endeavors, just simply because of the fact that it's easy to use and very, very customizable. The various dials and knobs and buttons makes it easy to navigate. As an editor and illustrator, I know this has made a huge impact in my workflow. So much so that I'm willing to use it and have made it my daily driver from this point forward. Well, there you have it, folks. This has just been a quick overview of the Tourbox Neo and what my personal thoughts are on this project. It's a great product at a great price, and I would recommend it to anyone who would love to use it. Comment down below if you want to see a full review of this product, and if you actually are interested in it, there's a link down below as to where you can purchase it. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, hit that subscribe button and please hit that thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get notified every time I upload another video just like this one. And hey, if you don't follow me on Instagram or if you don't follow me on Twitter, what are you waiting for? Click on the link down below. Let's connect. I would love to get to know you. Well, hey, I hope you had fun. I hope you learned something. And until next time, see you guys later.